How to use Poshmark Post Credit. Well, Poshmark Post Credit is a form of currency within the Poshmark app used to purchase items. Credits are generally obtained through referrals, promotions, or customer support issues. Unlike redeemable sales earnings, which can be withdrawn to a bank account, Post Credits are for in-app spending only. Right? So you can invite friends to Postmark using your username as their invite code. When they sign up, they get $10 in credit, and once they make their first purchase, you receive $10 in Post credit. Then similarly, you can also participate in Postmark sponsored events such as List for Cash campaigns where completing specific task awards credit as well. In some scenarios such as shipping level issue, Postmark support may issue credit directly to your account as well. So you can go to your account, and under account, as I showed you earlier, head into my balance. Then you can select view post credits if you do have there, and then you can see your current available amount. You can add items to your cart or bundle to use it and proceed to checkout. On the checkout, you can select redeemable balance from sales, and you can select Postmark applies funds in order. So this order. So if you do have post credits, it'll apply post credits, and if you do have redeemable balance from sales, it'll apply that. And then the third is gift cards, and then at last the primary payment method. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.